Good morning,
beta.
ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. How are you all?
Morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
morning.
fine. How are you?
Fine. Good. I am also good. How are your
Fine.
holidays? How are your holidays? Happy holidays? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good
Yes, ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
All
Ma'am,
of you open your
And to
cameras.
study also.
What?
ma'am,
And to study.
my one holiday is gone wrong.
Your one holiday went wrong. Wrong for what
Yes,
reason?
ma'am. And ma'am, my today is bad luck because ma'am, I am studying and ma'am, light is coming and ma'am going, coming and ma'am going. Morning, ma'am.
So that was your day went wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Your one day was spoiled because of light.
Light is fluctuating.
All right.
Yes, ma'am. Because ma'am, I live in Farikpur and ma'am, there is a too much disturbance of light.
All right. All right. What about others? How were your holidays? Good?
But ma'am, the holidays were good.
Ma'am, good also. Ma'am, we study also.
All right. Very nice. Okay. Now, children, what we'll do is before starting, just Karan, you sent a message that you will not be attending the class due to some problem.
Ma'am, the problem is that when my laptop was hanging, so I can't also use my iPad because my sister is seeing. So ma'am, I have not attended the Palak ma'am class. Palak ma'am.
All right. Okay. Okay. Very nice, Raina. I can
Ma'am,
see
this is
what
my
you're
diagram.
showing. Yes. Beautiful. It's amazing. Oh, very nice work,
Thank you, ma'am.
Yashmit. Wonderful work. Okay, children, now tell me how many of you in this class have got a globe at your home? I remember Yashmit has a globe, Jaskaran has a globe. And who else has it?
Ma'am, I don't have.
Ma'am, I also have.
If you have,
Ma'am, I
if you
also
have,
have.
I remember one of you had a ball with globe print. One of you had a ball also.
Ma'am, I have globe.
Okay. All
Ma'am,
those who
I have
have,
globe.
very nice. Let me speak. Very good. I can see Jaskaran's globe, Samarth's globe. Yashmit will also get it. Yes, it's here. Now, all those who've got the globe with them, please switch off the lights of your rooms and then bring a torch. And again, you will do the same thing. I'll pin you individually and take pictures of you. You remember we did that activity of day and night? How day and night is caused? With the
Yes,
sun's
ma'am.
rays?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, I am not in my house. So I am out of station. So I don't carry the globe.
You will? What you will do?
Ma'am, he is telling that
I don't
he
have
is out of the station.
Okay, now see. No problem, beta. No problem. I have pinned you Jaskaran. First, I'll take Jaskaran's pic. Jaskaran,
Ma'am,
get your torch.
there is again.
Ma'am, may I go to bring my globe?
Yes, rest of you can go and get your stuff if you have your the torch or the ball, anything that you have that looks like a globe. It should look like a proper globe.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Jaskaran, beta, get your torch. Throw some light on it so that it can be seen.
Hurt in her hand.
Ma'am, can you give chance to someone else?
Okay, by the time you'll get your torch. Okay, Yashmit, are you ready?
Yes,
Yash.
ma'am. I have. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me remove pin from Jaskaran, remove pin and Yashmit. All right, Yashmit, switch off your lights, beta. The light of your room. Who else is ready after Yashmit? Samarth, are you ready with the
Ma'am,
torch?
ready. Ma'am, may I show? Ma'am, may I show?
Wait, beta, wait. Now let me click Yashmit's picture. Yashmit, I should see your face also, beta. Your face is not visible.
Okay, ma'am.
But now when your face is visible, the globe is down. No. Make the angle correct. Yes, yes. Now it is. Okay, listen, do one thing. Take the phone away. Keep the phone very far. Don't keep it on your head. Lift up your globe a little. Lift up your globe. Your face should be in the center of globe and light. Bring your globe towards your left. Bring the globe towards your left. Yes, like this, like this. And okay. Let me take your picture. Lift it up a little. Better lift up the globe. Yes, like this. Take it towards your right. Take it a little towards your right. Yes. Let me check. No, beta, I'll take one more pic. Your face is hidden. Okay. Yes, smile a little. Good. Don't move it. Don't move it. One more. Very nice. Now who is ready? Samarth is ready.
Can I?
Yes. Beta, wait. I'll give you also your turn. Samarth, beta, switch off your light.
I don't
Light
have
of
a
your
globe.
Samarth,
Ma'am,
can
my
you
lights
switch?
are already off.
Ma'am, can I
Your lights are already off. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now
I
throw
don't have
light.
a globe.
Ma'am, I am ready.
Wait, beta, wait. Now I'm taking Samarth's pic. I have already told him to be ready. Okay, bring some light. Lift up your light, beta. Where is the light coming from? Very nice. Samarth, but I can't see the dark side of the globe. Take your light a little away. Keep it a little away. Yes. Smile. Good. Next, who will come? Jaskaran. Jaskaran is ready.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
Okay, Jaskaran, hurry up, beta. After Jaskaran, Varshita, and then Bhavya. Be ready.
Ma'am,
Jaskaran, your face should be in the center. I should see your face also.
what we will
Beta, in the center of your mobile and your globe. Take your mobile in your left hand. Yes, like this. Very nice. Good. Okay, next. Next,
Ma'am,
who will
may
come? Varshita. Varshita.
Ma'am, Rana.
Raina, you're ready. Varshita, you're ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
come.
ma'am,
Hurry up
I am
and
ready.
come. Where is Varshita? I can't see her.
Ma'am, Varshita got hurt. Varshita got hurt in her hand.
Varshita got hurt. What happened to her? In these 5 days, Varshita, in your holidays, you got hurt.
Ma'am, before the holidays only, in the last class.
Okay, where are you again? Varshita is disappeared from my screen. Okay, Raina, now I'll take your pick. You are coming on my screen. Let me finish with Raina, then I'll come to you, Varshita. Beta, take your torch a little away. Keep your torch a little away, Raina. Take your hand that side. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Next, Varshita, come. Now, where is Varshita? What is happening? Here she is.
Ma'am, now I am. Ma'am, may I on my lights?
Very nice. Yes, beta. Now you can switch on your lights. Very nice. Varshita, your pic is coming very clear and nice. Smile. Good. Next, who is left? Anyone else who wants to come?
Ma'am, Bhavya.
Bhavya. Yes, Bhavya, you are left. Where are you? Let me see where Bhavya is.
आज ऐसे लेके आए हैं गधाऊ
Mute yourself, beta. Mute yourself.
मैं क्या करूँ टी शर्ट उतार दूं और कैमरा बंद करेगा कोई मैम
Beta, mute yourself. Where is Bhavya? Okay. Bhavya. Who is not? Who is unmuted in class? Tell me. Who is unmuted? Okay, Bhavya. Where is your torch? Put on the torchlight. Yes, put it on. And Bhavya, how will I see your face now? Yes, like this. Very nice. Smile. Lift up your light a little bit. Lift it up. Even more higher towards the globe. Put it towards the globe, not towards the camera. Beta, no, this is not a torchlight. Make it like that. Earlier, how it was. Yes, a beam of light should appear. Yeah, like this. Very nice. Smile. 1, 2, 3, Bhavya. Smile. Good. Done. Okay, we are done with this activity now. Anybody is left?
No, I am.
Who?
Ma'am, Rasya.
Rasya. Yes, Rasya,
Rasya.
you are left, beta. Come. Okay, Rasya, very nice. Beta, put yourself in between the globe and torch. Place yourself and take the torch in your hand. Yes. Bring it from your left. Bring the light from your left. Take it to the left. Take the torch to the left. Only the torch. You are at the right place. Beta, that's your right, Rasya. I'm saying take the torch towards your left. Take it in your left hand. Now see, Rasya. This is your left hand, Rasya. You call it your left hand? Yes. Now put your hand a little away. Take it little away like that. Very nice. And put it directly on the globe. On the globe. The light should come on the, yes, like this. But take it a little away, more away. Yes, very nice, very nice. But I can't see your face, Rasya. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and smile. No, Rasya, your face is not at all visible. All is dark. Okay, whosoever is standing with you, please take a little help from that person. Can you please hold it? Can you please hold the torch from the left hand side? All right, switch off the light. Okay, yes, now it's clear. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, and smile, Rasya. Good. Done. All right. I hope no one is left now. Okay, children. Now, what we were doing last week, we were doing question answers. Is it correct? We
Yes,
were doing
ma'am.
question answers of the 5th chapter.
And ma'am, 2 questions were left.
Yes, 2 questions are left. So I'm going to share those 2 questions right now today and we'll complete the chapter. From tomorrow, we are going to start our revision. All of you open your copies to that page and let's start doing the work.
Ma'am, please wait 2 minutes.
Yes, I will wait for 2 minutes now.
Ma'am,
Next.
Ma'am, an answer to I have not done till 8. Ma'am, मैं 8 बात नहीं कर पाई.
Okay, beta, I will send the work on D group. Now, if you were not able to do,
Please wait.
beta, I'm waiting only. What have I done? Don't speak unnecessarily in class when it is not required. Please don't speak.
Ma'am,
I'm not doing anything. Yes. What, ma'am?
now I'm saying that. Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, the mic was not. Ma'am, I will say you later, ma'am. Ma'am, I forgot what I said.
I will only reply to meaningful things now. I will not reply to everything that you people speak. Because this class speaks a lot. We are supposed to do question number 3 today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write a short note on biosphere.
Ma'am,
A short note means,
ma'am, I have not complete answer.
beta, now answer 2 you will do later. Just see from here. I had shared answer 2 in last class. It starts to rain in the form of water or snow. Only this line was left.
Yes, ma'am, I write this line only.
Yes, right from here. It starts to rain in the form of water or snow. And then you can start writing the third one. Write a short note on biosphere.
Ma'am, the answer is so small in detail also.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it is written after starts to rain in the.
in the form of water or snow. FORM, form.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I will start question 3.
Ma'am, answer 3, what is written after biosphere is?
Made up of
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
yes. Who
ma'am,
said?
please send the first and second answer.
Beta, first and second was already sent in the last class. Now I can't cater every individual child. This is what the class is supposed to do today. I will send you the work on D group, then you will do it from there.
Ma'am, we have removed the screen.
I have not removed any screen.
Ma'am, in answer 3, second one after include.
Includes the lithosphere. Biosphere includes the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere.
Ma'am, I have done Kanafmatal.
What, beta?
Ma'am, I have
What?
done Kanavmukham. Ma'am, I
All
have
right,
done.
good.
Ma'am, in the third answer, what is written? It. Ma'am, in the third answer, third point, what is written after it?
Beta, it extends. Extends. It extends over a large area.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is this answer in brief?
No, beta, this is answer in detail.
Ma'am, then
Ma'am,
discuss.
how many questions are there in answer in brief?
Beta, what in answer 3? I can't understand what you're saying.
Ma'am, I'm saying that, can you please tell me that how many questions are there in answer in brief?
Answer in brief. Okay, Varshita, beta, where is your book, by the way? Don't you have the book with you? You're asking me this. You can better see it in the book, beta. How many questions are there in answer in brief? There are four questions.
Ma'am, I have done short.
Ma'am,
Now, Shorin,
please
Kanav,
scroll up.
start writing question number 4.
ma'am,
Ma'am, I have done Yuvraj Gupta.
ma'am, please scroll up.
Have you written the question? The one who is saying me to scroll up. Have you written the question? Write a short note on biosphere.
Ma'am, I am write a question and not answer. Ma'am, please
Yes.
scroll down.
Ma'am, I am writing.
No, beta. Now this is where I'm going to keep my screen. Keep speaking. Scroll up, scroll down. This is where I'm going to keep my screen for another 2 minutes. Then only I will move it.
Ma'am, question 3, the third line, it extends over a large area of air, water, and land. Please read.
Yes. It extends over a large area of air, water, and land. That's all.
Ma'am, I have done Kanav.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done
very
short.
Good, good, good. Now wait.
Ma'am,
Palvini, beta, you're being too slow. You're being very slow. I can't wait for you. I can't make the whole class wait for you.
Ma'am, please scroll down. I am screenshot.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, please.
Ma'am, I
scroll up.
have done evaluation.
Ma'am, I am a
Yes, take a
screenshot of it.
screenshot. All of you take a screenshot and stop doing ma'am scroll up and scroll down. There are 31 students in this class. I can't listen to each one of you. Take a screenshot. Hurry up. I'm going to remove the screen.
Ma'am, please zoom. Ma'am, please scroll up.
You have not taken screenshot?
No, ma'am.
Why didn't you take when I told you to take it? Now just wait. You will see the work from D group and then do. You don't listen to the teacher's instructions and then you irritate her. Now keep sitting like this. I'll change the screen at 11:10.
Ma'am, done till half answer of hydro. Excuse me, ma'am, I am done.
Good.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am,
Yes, say.
ma'am, please scroll up.
You didn't take the screenshot.
Ma'am, take a screenshot.
You took the screenshot.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Then you will send on the group.
All these questions.
Ma'am,
What?
ma'am, please send on WhatsApp group.
Beta, I will send on D group. Don't worry.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, I'm changing the screen now. Again, those who have not done it, take a screenshot right now. Take a screenshot right now. I'll change the screen. Taken? Everyone has taken the screenshot. Shall I change?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See. Today I'll send you the PDF of the entire chapter on D group. From tomorrow, we are going to start with our revision for UT1.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, this is answer 4 complete.
Yes, this is complete answer 4.
Ma'am, after bodies.
Yes, after the last point, what was the last point?
Ma'am, bodies.
While hydrosphere is the domain that consists of all water bodies, full stop. Then the second point is the atmosphere is made up of various gases, while the hydrosphere includes this. That's the complete answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my hand is spinning, so I'm not able.
Better take a screenshot, do it later. If you're not being able to do, take a screenshot.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what we are doing, I have joined now because of network problem. There is no network problem.
There is no network problem. What are you saying? There is no network problem or there is network problem?
And there is network problem.
Okay, so now beta, don't worry. Just keep sitting for last 9 minutes. Only 8 minutes are left for the class to get over. I will send you the complete work of chapter 5 on D group today. We have done the written work of D group. Sorry, of chapter 5.
Ma'am, you have sent full work of chapter 5.
I will send today because full work of chapter 5 will get completed today. All the exercises and question answers.
Ma'am, what is written after oxygen?
After oxygen, it's written argon. ARGON.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have written. Ma'am, I have done enough.
Ma'am, please show.
Yes, beta, by mistake it got removed. Those who have done very nice, start underlining your work.
Ma'am, what you have written after
Children,
oxygen?
listen to me. I just forgot to mention, many of you had sent your copies for correction in school, right? So after correcting your copies, I just realized that you are not highlighting, you're not underlining like how I always tell you to do. Why so? The work looks so incomplete without underlining and highlighting.
Ma'am,
I could only find
highlighting.
Ma'am, but I highlighting.
yes, you
Yes,
should
ma'am, I
always
also
do
did.
highlighting, underlining the important words and all. I could only find Samarth's copies up to mark. No one else's work was very finished.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I also underline, but I can't submit my copy.
Okay, beta. Whenever you get time or whatever, you should always, in every subject, not only in SST, in all the subjects, your work should be very beautifully presented.
ma'am, I am also underlined. I can't. Ma'am, I can't. Ma'am, what you have written after oxygen?
Beta, after oxygen, it's written argon. Various gases like hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, argon, helium, and carbon dioxide.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my one book is already
I'm done, Yashmit Mishra.
Now one child says, "Excuse me, ma'am," and 3 children start talking. Will I be able to hear 3 of you together? The one who has said "excuse me" will only speak. No one else will jump in between. Varshita, say.
Ma'am, I started my second book so much early that my second book is also going to finish. I think it will finish in the sixth chapter.
Okay. Now, who was saying? Who else wants to say something?
Ma'am, I have done.
How many are still doing?
Ma'am, please in the chat box.
Ma'am, I am in the last.
Okay, Akshada, yes, beta, your work was colorful, but what I remember is in the beginning it was all underlined and highlighted, but by the end I think you have not done it. Please check and let me know if I'm correct or not.
Ma'am, but
Inish
it is now also in the
is
yes.
yes, I'm right. The initial work you have done very nicely, but later on
That
all
it is in the
things are
school
not
app also
completed.
that.
Ma'am,
What?
Ma'am, it is the school
I
where
have highlighted.
I am only talking to Akshada. Who else is speaking in between? What, Akshada?
ma'am, that I have not got my copy from the school, so today I will got, so I don't know that.
Okay, okay. You will get it today, so you can see from there. What I remember is your initial chapters were very beautifully underlined and highlighted. But in the end, it wasn't done like that.
Ma'am, I have done and highlight also.
Okay, Rasya, good. Yes,
Ma'am, when we will get our copy?
better you can go and collect it from the school. Your copies are already there. I didn't bring them with me. I went there, checked them, and kept it there.
Okay.
I didn't bring them with me.
Ma'am, then
Ma'am, now I am highlighting the work.
Yes, good. Use different colors to make your work look beautiful.
Ma'am, what is written after wells?
Wells, aquifers, etc.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice, very good.
Ma'am,
Yes,
the class will end at 11:20.
Varshita, I didn't get.
Ma'am, the class will end at 11:20.
Yes, it will end in within a minute. It will end. Can I remove the screen? All of you have done it.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I hope
Yes,
all of you are
ma'am.
highlighting the
Yes,
work.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, I can't highlight my work because I